Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the role of a Customer Success Analyst. A Customer Success Analyst is responsible for ensuring that customers achieve their desired outcomes while using a company's product or service. They work closely with customers to understand their needs, provide insights, and offer solutions to improve their experience. Data analysis is a key part of the job. Customer Success Analysts use data to track customer satisfaction, product usage, and other important metrics. They also provide ongoing support and guidance to help customers get the most out of the product or service. Regular reporting and feedback are crucial. Analysts prepare detailed reports to share with both customers and internal teams. This video was sponsored by HEFLO, a cloud platform that provides artificial intelligence features for automating and documenting business processes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos about management.